Hi, I'm Ashikur Rahman. Welcome back to my channel Accounting Celebrity. Our today's topic is cash book. It is very important chapter in accounting syllabus, but many students are confused when they try to prepare a cash book. So today I'll show you how easily you can prepare a cash book. So let's get started. Well, these are the transitions given in the question. For example, the balances on Mr. John at 1st March 2020 was $16,000. Okay. Then there are some transitions given here, and then in the question, in the requirement, it is asked to record the above transactions in Mr. John's cash book and balance the cash book at 31st March and bring down the balance on 1st April 2020. Okay, this is your requirement. Okay, look at the format here. This is a part of a double entry system, already you know. So here we have 8 columns. Okay, these 8 columns are divided by 2 sections. This section is debit section. Already you know debit, DR is abbreviated for debit. Okay, and CR is abbreviated for credit. Okay, these columns will be used to record date, then details, folio, and dollar here. Okay, same here, you will record date in this column, and here details you will write, and here folio and dollar. Okay, so these are 8 columns in this format. So there are more 2 types of cash book, double column cash book and 3 column cash book. I will show you these cash books later in my next videos. Okay, here in the question written that the balances on Mr. John at 1st March 2020 was $16,000. Okay, this is the balance of cash. Okay, so balance of cash, that means this amount already taken from the previous month. Okay, so balance will be always debited. Okay, you will record the balance of cash always in the debit side. Okay, so right here, what is the date written? 1st March 2020. Okay, so write 2020 here. Okay, and March 1. Okay, so this is balance, so you write here balance, and in the folio column you will write BD. BD means brought down. Okay, you brought this balance down from the previous month. Okay, the value is here $16,000. Okay, so we recorded the cash balance. Okay, now these are the transitions given. We have to enter one by one here. Okay, so one thing you don't forget, when you pay your expenses, any kinds of payment, okay, payment will be recorded in the credit side. Okay, all transactions, like if you receive anything, will be recorded in the debit side. Okay, so when you're receiving, you will record in the debit side. Okay, when you'll be paying, you'll be recording in the credit side. Don't forget. Okay, so what is first transaction here? March 5, cash sales $6,000. So this is your sales. So what is it? It's receiving or payment. So if you say it's receiving, you are correct. So when you sell something, you receive money. Okay, so this is cash book. So you have to consider everything in terms of cash. Okay, if cash comes in, will be debited. If cash goes out, will be credited. Okay, easy thing. If comes in, if goes out, you'll record on the credit side. Okay, so if comes in, you'll record in the debit side. Okay, just remember these two terms: comes in debit side, goes out credit side. Okay, very good. Now see here, sales. When you make sales, that means you receive money. Okay, you receive cash. So what is the date here? March 5. So it is your sales in the details column. Okay, and how much it is? You received $6,000. Okay, so write this value here in the detail column, in the dollar column. Okay, our next one is March 7. What is written? Receipt from bank. So again you are receiving. Okay, you received from bank. Already I told you to remember this word. When you are receiving, you will be recording in the debit side. Okay, so receipt from bank. So right here, date is March 7. So right here in the detail column, bank, and how much it is? 1,500. You write in the dollar column. Okay, so next one is here March 10. What is written? Purchased goods in cash. So purchase, you made a purchase. So when you purchase, you pay cash. Okay, your money goes out from the business. So I told you already, when it is goes out, you will record in the credit side. Okay, so right here, the date, first of all, 2020 March what? Yeah, it is 10. So right here in the detail column, purchase. Okay, you need to record in the detail column purchase. Okay, what is the value here? $5,000. Look, it is $5,000. Okay, so write this value in dollar column. Okay, it's easy. Yeah, if you can remember, this side will be for receiving, this side will be for payment. Okay, or giving. So it is a cash book. That means you have to record all of your cash transactions. Okay, some transaction will not be recorded in any cash book, single column, 2 column, or 3 column, whatever you call. So I'll give you the list of the transactions that are not recorded in the cash book later in my next video. Okay, next March 15. What is written in the transaction? Paid wages. Okay, in cash. So you made payment. Okay, so already I told you that when it is payment, don't be confused, don't think much. Okay, just come in the credit side and write the date first, and the record in the detail column wages means the expense name. Then you put the value in the dollar column. What is it here? 1,000. Okay, so 15 is over. Next we have 17. Received. Again received cash from Samin. Okay, Samin is a person. How much received? $500. You already know that receiving will be recorded in the debit side. Yeah, okay, so right here date is 17. Right here Samin is a giver. Okay, so in the detail column you have to write the giver name. So it is $500. Okay, it's very easy. Yeah, next we have March 17. We have two transactions on same day. Okay, March 17th. Again, what is written here? Bought a machine in cash. So you bought a machine, you purchased a machine. So when you purchase something, you have to pay money, yeah? So cash will go out when you pay. So if goes out, it will come in the credit side, already you know. So right here, March 17, record machine in the detail column. Detail column, okay. What is the price here? Price is $7,000. So right here, $7,000. Okay, good. So last one. Last we have March 20. What is written in the transaction? Paid office rent in cash, $3,000. So you paid office rent. Payment, okay. Already know payment is credited. Okay, so come here, March 20, right? And date detail will be rent. Okay, rent, office rent, same, whatever you like. So how much you rent? It is $3,000. Okay, great. We finished all these 7 transactions. 4 transactions we recorded in the credit side. Look, 4 transactions we wrote on the credit side and 3 transactions we wrote in the debit side. If we receive cash, we record it in the debit side. If we paid cash, we record it in the credit side. Once again, this is a cash book. Only cash transactions will be included. Okay, fine. So what is written in the cash book? It's written that record the above transactions. So we already recorded. If this is the requirement only, record the above transactions, then you are done. No more. Finished. You completed the answer. Okay, you don't have to go further. You are done. But what is written here? In the Mr. John's cash book, very good. Balance the cash book on 31st March. So if it is written to balance the cash book, then you have to do more. Okay, you have to balance it. So how to balance cash book? Let us see here how to balance cash book. First of all, you check which column is greater in money. Okay, I repeat, check the columns which is greater in money. So this column, this debit column is greater in money. Okay, so first of all, you add your debit column. You check how much comes. So if you add this all amounts, you will get what? $24,000. Okay, so you added, you got $24,000. Now you take this same value to the opposite side. Opposite side means the credit side. Okay, so write in the same level. Okay, draw total lines here and write this value, $24,000. Okay, now what to do? Now you need to subtract this all credit amounts from this total value. Okay, then you have to check how much your balance. Actually, the balancing of cash book is like writing or extracting the difference between debit and credit columns. Okay, so here if you add, you get $16,000. Okay, $16,000. So now you have to subtract this $16,000 from 24,000, the total value. So if you subtract, you get $8,000. Okay, so this $8,000 is your balance. Here it is said balance the cash book. Yes, we balanced, we got $8,000. So this is called, so insert the balance, the word balance in the detail column and write CD in the folio column. Okay, so CD means carried down. Okay, student basically do not write anything in the folio column. So if ledger's number is given in transactions, you can write this ledger's number in the folio column. But don't think that you don't have to write anything. I will not draw this column here. It is not okay actually. This column is a part of this format. Okay, so obviously you should draw this column as well. Okay, so this is balancing. We got this balance $8,000. Okay, and then you need to write the date. Okay, you need to record the date. When to record the date? What date? Date is given here. Okay, at 31st March. Okay, so right here, March 31st. March 31st. Okay, the date for balance CD will be the last day of the month. Okay, of the month you are doing this account. So which month you are doing this account? You are doing this account for the month of March. Okay, so what is the last day of the March? It is 31st. Okay, 31st March. So and then you need to, what is written, then bring down. Okay, so you have to bring down this balance. So bring down means balance PD. So balance PD and CD will never be in the same side. Okay, so in the credit side you have balance CD. So come in the debit side, the opposite side, you write balance. You write here balance. BD means brought down. Okay, so how much? Same value will be here, $8,000. So I repeat, you wrote last day of the month for balance CD, and you will write the first day of next month for balance BD. Okay, so first day will be it is the month of, sorry, it is the month of what? March. So next month will be April. Okay, so it will be April. It will be April 1st. Okay, this is all about cash book. Just it's very easy if you can remember that. Credit side will be all payment or cash goes out. Debit side will be all receiving and cash comes in. Okay, so that's all for today's lesson, and the next time I'll show you how to transfer this amount to the nominal ledgers. Okay, so please subscribe my channel for more new videos, and you share this lesson with your friends. They will also be benefited. Okay, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye, take care.